In this video, I'm going to show you the most common error we see at Sauce Labs and explain why it happens. Most of you have seen this error before. It's the dreaded test did not see a new command message, otherwise known as the idle test timeout error. When we look at all of the errors on Sauce Labs for a given week, we can see that well over half of them are this particular error. The default timeout value is 90 seconds. If we filter on just this error, we see that almost half of them have changed this default value. I can tell you exactly what is happening here. People get this error and they think that they need to increase its value in order for it to go away. In reality, it doesn't do that at all. It only makes the problem worse. Just how many of these errors are we seeing on Sauce Labs? Every day, we're seeing tens of thousands, almost 100,000 a day some days, of this error. This is literally thousands of hours each day where our sessions are in use, but no one is getting any value from them. What exactly is going on here? Where are these errors coming from? Why are we getting them? And most importantly, what can we do about them? If we go to our documentation for the test configuration options, we can navigate down to where it gives the description of the idle test timeout. What this is saying is that after a set time, if we don't hear anything from your test, we're just going to assume that something happened on your end and we're never going to hear from your test again. This is almost always the case. This is set to 90 seconds by default, and while you can change this value using the idle timeout parameter, you shouldn't do so. In the next video, I'll walk you through what you need to do if your test legitimately needs to wait longer than 90 seconds between commands.